In today's video, I'm going to teach you all about safely borrowing crypto using Binance Loans. This 2025 guide will walk you through the process, ensuring you're equipped with all the essential knowledge to navigate it smoothly. To begin, it's important to understand what Binance Loans are. Essentially, Binance Loans allow you to use your existing crypto holdings as collateral to borrow either other cryptocurrencies or stablecoins. One of the great advantages of using Binance Loans is that they don't require any credit checks. Your loan is secured by the collateral you provide, making the process straightforward and accessible. The terms of these loans are quite flexible as well, allowing you to choose the duration that best suits your needs, while the interest amounts will simply accrue over time. Before diving into the borrowing process, you'll need to be logged into your Binance account. Make sure your account is fully verified with KYC procedures if required, as this is a crucial step to access the loan feature. Once verified, navigate to the Loans or Crypto Loans section of the platform. This can be found by heading to the Finance section, where you will see the option for crypto loans. Next, you'll need to select the type of loan you wish to take out and the collateral asset you plan to use. Decide which cryptocurrency or stablecoin you want to borrow, and choose from the available crypto assets offered by Binance to serve as your collateral. Keep in mind that only certain assets are eligible for use as collateral, so check these options carefully. Once you have made your decision, it's time to choose the duration of your loan. Binance offers various options such as 7, 14, 30, 90, and 180 days, though availability might vary depending on your region. After selecting your term, take a moment to review all the terms of your loan. You should carefully examine the interest rates and the loan-to-value ratio, which indicates how much you can borrow in relation to your collateral. It's also essential to understand all the fees associated with your loan, along with potential penalties and the conditions under which liquidation of your assets may occur. Now that you're ready, go ahead and confirm the amount you wish to borrow. This will require you to deposit and lock your collateral, meaning it cannot be used elsewhere until the loan is entirely repaid. Once that's done, the borrowed cryptocurrency amount will be credited to your account, allowing you to use it as permitted, whether it's for trading, withdrawal, or other activities. As you manage your loan, it's vital to monitor the health of your collateral. Keep an eye on its value, as any significant drop might increase your loan-to-value ratio to concerning levels. Should it spike too high, adding more collateral might be necessary to avoid liquidation. Finally, when it's time to repay the loan, you can do so at any point before the term ends, often without facing any penalties for early repayment. Repay the principal along with any accrued interest, and once your repayment is complete, your collateral will be returned to you. And there you have it, a comprehensive journey through borrowing crypto safely on Binance.